Hello, this is Lily. Um, as y'all know, I've been experiencing a lot of pain with my ankle. Right here is my ankle. It's pretty puffy today. The pain is coming from this pin area right here. It's like a staple. The pain is excruciating. It's at the point, it's just I can't hardly function with it. Um, anyway, I go Tuesday to have the staple removed. I've been taking pain medication during the day. I don't have enough pain medication to take at night, which I'm a little bit scared about taking pain medication at night. The pain is unbearable. The staple has put pressure on my toe, the bottom of my foot. It's a sharp, pulsating pain that I can't hardly stand. The last several nights, before I go to bed, I just sit there and cry because I just can't stand the pain. My body has literally shook the last 2 or 3 days. It's just like shakes. I just can't control the shaking, and the shaking is from the unbearable pain that I've been in. Like I said, after I started walking around, once I got off the scooter is when the pain started, and as the weeks has went on, the pain has got to the point it's unbearable, and it's just putting so much pressure. The doctor believes that I'm allergic maybe to the pins. Right now, I think the pins are probably on a nerve, and could be allergic to it too. But between the pulsating pain, the sharp pain, and the continuation of the pain, it has me, I'm just a total wreck. Thank you.